Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how does Binance work. In order to begin with this procedure, first of all make sure that your account is verified. If you've not verified your Binance account, then you'll not be able to proceed on with the trading procedure. So basically the first step is verifying, and only then you'll be eligible to do trading on Binance. So when you have to verify, you have to provide in your personal information, your government ID, and then a liveness check to verify your face, and then you can begin with the procedure. So in order to begin with the procedure, or if you want to know how Binance work, then Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that lists more than 350 cryptocurrencies globally. In additionally to crypto trading, it offers several services that enhances the experience for users and blockchain developers as well. So here you can see these are all the asset that is available on Binance. Accordingly, you will have to make sure that you have enough funds or coin and you can perform on Binance. So tap the wallet icon, and here if you go to buy with USD and all that, so you can just explore after you're done creating your account, and you'll get to know about the Binance interface. You have to verify your identity, only then you can begin with the trading procedure. How Binance work, that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.